If you want classic San Francisco luxury, this is the hotel for you. It's the Fairmont San Francisco, sitting right on top of Nob Hill, and the views from up here are honestly unreal. Inside, it feels like old-school elegance, high ceilings, historic details, and that iconic Grand Hotel vibe. The biggest win? The city and bay views. And if you've heard of the Tonga Room, yes, it's here. It's basically a legendary tiki bar inside the hotel. The pros? The location is elite, the service feels premium, and it's one of the most recognizable hotels in San Francisco. Cons? It's definitely not cheap, and some rooms can feel a little more classic than modern. But if you want a true San Francisco experience, this place is 100% worth considering. I'd give it an 8.5 out of 10. Want to see more travel videos like this one? Click on the box to the left or go to the description section below for a link. And thanks for watching.